Hello everybody, it's me again, and in this video we are going to talk about why are even the strongest stocks dropping. Stocks that seem to be totally irrelevant to the virus, why are they dropping too? Okay, but before we do that, wow, what a crazy week it has been already. It's not even the end of the week yet. And if you've been following my past two videos, past few weeks, I've been repeating again and again, if you are still holding anything, get the hell out. Right? There is absolutely no clear sign that the market is going to reverse anytime soon. So don't just hold and hope. Don't base your trades on hope or luck or whatever, okay? Always base your trades on probability. And right now, there is a low probability that the market is going to turn back up anytime soon, okay? But anyways, let's get on to today's topic. And if you enjoy this video, please do hit that like and subscribe button. Okay, so why are even the strongest stocks that seem to be irrelevant to the virus, why are they dropping too? So let's pull up a great example of a strong stock. Let's look at Microsoft. Okay, this Microsoft has beautiful fundamentals, beautiful growth, and it has a huge market cap. Okay, so it shouldn't be affected by the virus. Okay, it just sells software, right? So let's look at why even Microsoft is experiencing such a drop. Well, first of all, people aren't actually losing money, people who bought Microsoft. Why do I say that? Because look at this beautiful, steady rise up. Okay, so why do we see this drop here? It's because people who bought here, they're just selling here to break even. People who bought here, they're selling here to break even, right? People who bought down here, once it drops here, they're selling to break even. That explains why it's a constant sell off. Okay, so you might be wondering, oh, what about people who sold at the top? They're going to be losing money. Well, yes, that's true, but there's not going to be that many people who bought here. Why do I say that? Because, well, before the drop, look before the drop, right? This is such a huge parabolic move up. Do you really want to buy at this stage, right? So people aren't, there's not going to be that many people buying here. That's why most people who bought here, well, they're just selling when it hits their buy level to break even. So people aren't losing money. Same with, let's look at another great stock, Shopify, okay? Same thing, right? If you look at the curve, beautiful upward curve. So people who bought here, they're selling here. People who bought here, just selling here. People aren't losing money. If it drops further down past this support level, then people are losing money. So even though it seems like it's tanking, but they're not, people on average aren't actually losing money. Okay, I want to make that clear. Okay, now let's talk about Microsoft again. So that's one of the reasons why the stock is dropping, because people are just selling to break even. Okay. Now the next reason is because a lot of algos, they use arbitrage techniques. Okay, statistical arbitrage. And one technique, one strategy is when the whole market is tanking, they're going to look at stocks that have relatively not tanked as much. Okay, they haven't dropped as much, and they're gonna sell short those because theoretically, those stocks that haven't moved as much, they're going to move eventually. They're gonna drop eventually. So these algos want to take advantage of that. That's why these algos are going to, through their filter, they're gonna find Microsoft and they're gonna short Microsoft because Microsoft is a beautiful stock. It hasn't dropped that much compared to other stocks. So they're going to target these. That's why Microsoft is also dropping, even though it has a huge market cap. It's like a whale, right? It seems hard to make it drop so much, but it's still tanking. Another reason is people aren't targeting Microsoft specifically. They're not selling Microsoft specifically, but Microsoft is linked to many other, ETFs, for example, ETFs are that are about tech stocks or ETFs that target young people, that target millennials. They're going to have Microsoft in their portfolio. So when these algos, or these hedge funds, they sell short these ETFs, it's going to also affect the underlying stocks, such as Microsoft. That is why Microsoft, even though it has beautiful growth, strong fundamentals, it's a solid company, seems to be unaffected by the virus. That's why it is still dropping. That's why I say it doesn't matter what you hold. If you're still holding anything, get out, because right now it's a low probability that the market is going to go back up anytime soon. Okay? And that is all I have for today. If you enjoyed this video, please do hit that like and subscribe button and stay tuned for more content coming soon.